Hello everyone, this is the first ice plant that I planted from the seeds in February. I replanted it to the bigger pot quite recently, I think about 2 weeks ago, because I didn't have time, unfortunately, to do this before. They are doing very well now. However, they were red because they were just growing from February in a very tiny, tight container, and they were very dense. So this is the first container. This is the plant from the second container. The size of the container, you can see on my previous videos, is something like this. So that's just after some fruits, like a tomato. It was growing in this little container, very tight, from February. And I just planted this one into the bigger pot literally 3 days ago. So this one is quite new here, but it's settling very well. They are very easy to care for, and it just started flowering, I think yesterday or the day before. So we can see it's a bit red, and this is the sign that the plant was stressed. Obviously there wasn't enough nutrients. When I took it from the container, roots were very dense, so it wasn't enough space for the plant. But I unfortunately didn't have time to plant it out before. But it's going to grow and spread similarly to the other two, which I will show you in a moment. So this one is filling up, as you can see, the whole container, the whole pot. And there were two planted inside here. You can't even see the border. There was a border somewhere between them. So this is kind of one, and this is the second one. And now the space between them is literally gone. So it's no more red, it's very green. And as the name is indicating, it's an ice plant. It has got a little, like a skin is growing, as if there is some moisture on it, but it's not wet. This is just the beauty of the plant, and it's feeling very well here. I was thinking it's not going to spread that much, so I planted a small sunflower here. Obviously that's too much for this size of a pot, but I wasn't sure how it's gonna do. Like I said before, I was keeping them in a very tight container, so I wasn't sure how it's gonna work out, but they are feeling great here. They are spreading, and they were planted here about 2 weeks ago, so spreading very rapidly. I recommend this plant. It's very easy to care for. I'm not watering them very often, perhaps twice a week. And this plant is a desert plant, so it doesn't need that much care. It's doing very well, and I'm gonna be waiting because these are small buds, so I'll wait until they will start all flowering. Thank you very much, and see you next time.